Food is a fundamental part of life, but how we grow, prepare, and consume it is undergoing a technological revolution. Advances in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and automation are transforming the food industry. From lab-grown meat to AI-driven agriculture, innovation is reshaping what we eat and how it's produced. These changes aim to make food more sustainable, nutritious, and accessible. In this discussion, we will explore the key technologies driving this transformation and their impact on the future of food. 1. Precision agriculture and smart farming. Precision agriculture uses technology to optimize crop production. Drones, sensors, and AI-driven analytics help farmers monitor soil health, water usage, and crop conditions in real time. GPS-guided machinery ensures efficient planting and harvesting, reducing waste and increasing yields. Smart greenhouses use climate control and automation to maximize food production. These advancements make farming more sustainable and resilient to climate change. By reducing resource consumption, precision agriculture supports global food security. 2. Lab-grown and plant-based meat. The rise of alternative proteins is reshaping the meat industry. Lab-grown meat, cultivated from animal cells, offers a sustainable way to produce real meat without traditional farming. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are leading the way in plant-based alternatives, using technology to create products that mimic the taste and texture of meat. These innovations reduce the environmental impact of livestock farming and provide ethical food options. As demand grows, lab-grown and plant-based meats are becoming more affordable and widely available. 3. AI and robotics in food production. Artificial intelligence and robotics are revolutionizing food manufacturing and processing. AI-powered systems analyze consumer preferences and predict food trends. Automated robots handle tasks like sorting, packaging, and quality control, increasing efficiency. Fast food chains and restaurants are incorporating robotic chefs to prepare meals consistently and quickly. This technology reduces human labor costs while improving hygiene and food safety. The integration of AI in food production is streamlining supply chains and enhancing customer experiences. 4. Vertical farming and hydroponics. Vertical farming allows crops to be grown indoors using stacked layers, reducing the need for large farmlands. Hydroponic systems use nutrient-rich water instead of soil, enabling year-round cultivation. These methods maximize space and reduce water usage by up to 90% compared to traditional farming. Urban areas benefit from vertical farms, as they provide fresh produce with minimal transportation. Companies like Aero Farms and Plenty are pioneering this sustainable approach to agriculture. 5. To 3D printing of food. 3D food printing is bringing customization to the culinary world. Using edible ingredients, printers can create intricate food designs and textures. This technology is being explored for personalized nutrition, where meals are tailored to an individual's dietary needs. In space missions, 3D food printing could provide astronauts with diverse meal options. The potential for reducing food waste is significant, as printers can utilize surplus ingredients to create new dishes. While still emerging, 3D food printing holds promise for the future of personalized dining. 6. Blockchain for food transparency. Blockchain technology is improving food traceability and safety. By recording every step of the supply chain, blockchain ensures transparency and accountability. Consumers can scan QR codes to access information about where their food comes from and how it was produced. This helps prevent food fraud and contamination outbreaks. Retailers and suppliers benefit from faster recalls and enhanced trust among consumers. As blockchain adoption increases, food safety and ethical sourcing will become more reliable. 7. Personalized nutrition and DNA-based diets. Advances in genetics are paving the way for personalized nutrition. DNA testing can reveal how an individual's body responds to certain foods, allowing for customized diet plans. AI-driven meal planning apps consider genetic data, allergies, and health goals to suggest optimal food choices. This approach promotes better health and prevents diet-related diseases. Personalized nutrition is expected to become mainstream as technology makes customized health solutions more accessible. 8. Edible insects and alternative proteins. As the global population grows, alternative protein sources are gaining attention. Edible insects, such as crickets and mealworms, are rich in protein and require fewer resources to produce than livestock. Companies are developing insect-based protein powders and snacks to make them more appealing. Algae and lab-grown seafood are also emerging as sustainable protein options. These alternatives offer nutritious and eco-friendly solutions to meet the world's growing food demands. 9. Food waste reduction technologies. Technology is playing a key role in reducing food waste. AI-powered apps help consumers track expiration dates and suggest recipes to use up ingredients. Smart packaging with freshness sensors alerts consumers when food is nearing spoilage. Food rescue platforms connect surplus food from restaurants and supermarkets with organizations in need. By leveraging technology, food waste can be minimized, benefiting both the environment and global hunger relief efforts. 10. The role of e-commerce and food delivery apps. The rise of e-commerce and food delivery apps has changed how people access food. Platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart make ordering meals and groceries more convenient. AI-driven recommendations personalize food choices based on user preferences. Ghost kitchens, which operate without physical dining spaces, optimize food delivery efficiency. The rapid growth of online food services is reshaping the restaurant industry and how consumers interact with food. Technology is driving a food revolution, making it more sustainable, efficient, and personalized. Innovations like lab-grown meat, AI-driven agriculture, and blockchain transparency are shaping the future of food. As these advancements continue, they will address global challenges like food security, environmental impact, and health optimization. The future of food is evolving, and technology will play a crucial role in ensuring a better, healthier, and more sustainable food system. Thanks for exploring the future of food with us. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how technology is shaping our world. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep exploring the innovations that are transforming the way we eat.